Lumberjack work environment. Lumberjacks typically work outdoors in forests or other wooded areas, often in remote locations. Their work environment can be challenging and hazardous due to the nature of the job, including working with heavy machinery, sharp tools, and dangerous equipment. Lumberjacks may work in all types of weather conditions, including extreme heat or cold, rain, snow, or high winds. They must be able to adapt to these conditions and take precautions to ensure their safety and the safety of those around them. In addition to the physical demands of the job, lumberjacks may also face mental and emotional challenges, such as working long hours in isolation and dealing with the stress of operating heavy equipment and handling potentially dangerous materials. It is important for lumberjacks to receive proper training and safety equipment to minimize the risks associated with their work environment. This can include protective clothing, safety glasses, hard hats, and hearing protection, as well as training on how to use equipment safely and how to respond to emergencies.